Hey, design enthusiasts! Are you ready to infuse your home with a touch of modern elegance and timeless charm? Join us as we explore the most captivating interior house design trends of the year. From the resurgence of vintage and retro vibes to the seamless fusion of indoor-outdoor living, we're unraveling the secrets to creating a space that's both functional and fabulous. Get ready to unleash your creativity and turn your home into a haven of style and sophistication. Let's start together. Our first trend is Grandmillennial Style. This trend combines traditional elements with a modern twist, featuring floral prints, vintage furniture, and classic patterns paired with contemporary accents. Earthy Tones. Neutral earthy tones such as terracotta, olive green, and warm beige are popular choices for walls, furniture, and decor, bringing a sense of warmth and tranquility to the space. Indoor-outdoor living. Blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces is a growing trend, with features like sliding glass doors, outdoor kitchens, and seamless transitions from interior to exterior areas. Sustainable design. With a focus on environmental consciousness, sustainable interior design practices such as using eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and vintage or upcycled furniture are gaining popularity. Cozy nooks. Creating cozy nooks and intimate spaces within larger rooms is a trend that promotes relaxation and comfort. This can include reading corners, window seats, or built-in banquettes with plush cushions. Biophilic design. Integrating natural elements into interior spaces, such as indoor plants, natural materials, and ample daylighting, is a trend that promotes connection with nature and enhances overall well-being. Multifunctional spaces. As homes serve multiple purposes, there's a trend towards designing multifunctional spaces that can adapt to different activities, such as home offices that double as guest rooms or dining areas that transform into workspaces. Now our last trends is vintage and retro. Embracing nostalgia, vintage and retro-inspired decor elements such as mid-century modern furniture, retro appliances, and nostalgic artwork are popular choices for adding character and charm to interiors. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the latest interior design trends. I hope you found inspiration and ideas to transform your space into a stylish sanctuary. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.